Just printed up my first Alps stems. You can see the printer's still hot. Just took them off. Oh, I got to cut the little stem support. I printed them on their sides just to make sure. But as an FYI, if you need to remove the stem supports from my Keycap Playground, well, first of all, use 2 hands. But that's all you should have to do. It's not attached anywhere but the side. Ah. There we go. It came off. It's hard to do with 1 hand, but with 2 hands, piece of cake. All right. So let's try it. Let's try the Alps stem. I just finished eating dinner. I left this here because I knew it would be time to test it. So now for the moment of truth. Ooh. It works. I should probably try a higher quality Alps switch, but yeah, it's on there. It's not coming off. I can pull it out, but it seems like just the right amount of tension. It's grabbing it just right. Yeah, look at that. Wow, so this is the snap in, and this is a different size than the last batch that I printed, but I do have some. Here's one. A number 1 key with the little clips on the sides. Let's see if it works. It probably won't, because this was not printed in the correct size. Oh no. Feet. Where did they go? Alright. Let's see if I can do this right this time. Stems go sideways like that with Alps. Well, it didn't fully snap in, but it seems to be gripping it okay. If yeah, it's not the right it's just a smidge too big for this particular keycap. I need to print one that's made for this particular snap-in clip. But Alps support in Keycap Playground. Next, I actually need to print out a keycap with the stem built in and see if that works too. But it'll probably work since the snap-in style stem works just fine. So that's what's next. Awesome. First try.